Hey guys, we ended the PowerPoint. I was talking about the situation where you have a reflection across a line that is not the X or Y axis. So I wanted to kind of show you an example of that here. Here, the line of reflection is the Y axis. But if we can move this, sorry, and if I move it over here, now the line of reflection is X equals 2. I can take it and also move it. Oops, not what I wanted to move. Over here, now you've got A1 is 2, 4 units away, and A2 is 2, 4 units away. So the line of reflection there would be X equals -2. I can also continue to move it. I know we're off the screen there, but I can make it horizontal. Let's move it up though. So there, the line of reflection would be Y equals 4 because B2 is 2 units away. And notice it's 2 units away because this is going from 6 to 4. And B1 is 2 units away. So the line of reflection would be Y equals 4. I can take that and move it again. So you see, as I move it, the line of reflection, the shape moves also. Here, they're going to actually overlap. Because if you notice, B1 here is now 2 units away from the line of reflection. B2 is 2 units away from the line of reflection. Another thing I can do is I can take this point, this line of reflection, and I can make it diagonal. So now B1 and B2 are still the same distance away. C1 and C2 are the same distance away. You don't really need to worry about the diagonal. We're not going to be doing that. But we will be doing line of reflection when X and Y at the X and Y axis are not the line of reflection. So you might have X equals 4, you might have X equals -4, Y equals 2, Y equals 1, anything like that. So make sure you're familiar with that. I've also included a link to a GeoGebra activity where you can kind of drag these things around yourself and see how they change. So make sure you look at that before you do the activities.